Oh yes, Tesla's gonna be crazy right now.
That company's bigger
I
than what
think
a
I
lot of people think.
I think Tesla's gonna break higher highs.
Yeah, I mean it's on its way.
Yeah, it's breaking higher highs. So right, first thing I always like to do, right? Let's always start what I call not even the basics. We just want to know where we are on our trade.
This is where I might have to cop some more Tesla this week just for a couple $100 gains.
Yeah, might not be a bad idea on it. Just because we could see the structure of it, right?
Yeah. Damn, so you thinking it's going on the? I mean, it is uptrend vibes. I see some uptrend vibes for sure.
All right, so we definitely see the uptrend on it.
Tesla's doing.
Let's call that low, right? It's basically indecision in the market. All right, so we definitely see higher highs. And definitely right here was a good buying opportunity. So we're still not far away, and we could clearly see right here. We have a support and resistance.
Mm,
Right, we could definitely see what this would be in a resistance right here. Didn't know what it wanted to do.
my question.
Just trying to mark
So
just a little.
do you think that do you think that from like it's too late to get in right now, or someone should wait? Like if someone wanted to get into Tesla right now, should they be waiting because it left that zone, or is there still opportunity there?
Um, we'll dissect it as we go more
Yeah,
down there, but
specifically.
at least now we know that this is still good buying opportunities, and definitely around this weekly, we'll probably call it a weekly. Just lock it there because we know this is strong. Basically, we know the market's reacting at that point. So let's just delete all this.
And I'm thinking short term gains at this moment because this one's I don't know which one's more volatile, Tesla or Bitcoin.
True, Bitcoin has been. You saw Bitcoin hit
Yeah,
52.
yeah. I bought it last night. I was waiting for it. I really wanted it to jump back to 45, but I got in. That's why I put it in the chat, and I was like, "Yo, down 9%. If you want to get in, this is the time."
Yeah, it's a good point. Right. So now we know for the weekly for the overall time frame. Now this is one of the big important time frames right here, right? The daily, because we could definitely see how things are moving. Right. So we definitely see it's coming from a strong downtrend, but it's definitely bouncing off this weekly. And if we could see here, right, this high right there got broken now, so we could definitely start seeing more opportunities. So this is basically the answer to your question. Is like, is it too late? And I don't think it is. I think buying right now, you could just always make sure that you have your TP up here, definitely your higher highs. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, I get you.
So again, right, market structure. We see market structure get broken. We're not
Mm-hmm.
going to buy at the highest point. We want to back when it retraces back. So definitely, um, you're not far away from your prices of where to get in and get out. Go down even to a lower time frame, and this is what's called time frame correlation. For everybody who doesn't understand, when we do this, when we basically do top frame analysis and we go down breaking down the charts all the way from a higher time frame to a lower time frame, but it's to this, so we can start to understand the bigger picture, because we know that there's going to be ups and there's going to be bottoms. So definitely when we would have seen this rejection, we would have not got in right here, right? But we would have seen this rejection, and when this lower high and when this lower low got broken, we would have waited for the next and got in for a short right here,
Mm-hmm.
right? Just because this broke the lower thing, we would have been expecting it to go back down to its weekly, right? So this would have been a perfect little swing trade. Just catching a nice short, right? You would have been 35%. But now the market's changing up again, right? This is the 4 hour market. I like this market, so you're gonna notice a lot that I go for my 4 hour a lot, because my 4 hour is gonna where I'm gonna mark everything. My 4 hour is where I'm gonna mark if I see any type of basically like anything like what I call it again, I can't remember the word, but it basically when it breaks
Is it like
like
gaps?
this right here, not even breaks a gap, but shit, I can't think of the word right now. I'll think of it eventually. But I look for everything. Like I will say, if I want to do my fib, whatever thing I want to see where the market is going, this is kind of where I'm going. This is what show me okay what market structure is doing. So if you notice right now, right, market structure, it's coming back down. So it broke the higher high right here,
Mm-hmm.
coming back down. This is the lower low that it has to kind of respect. But we want to find the best areas to buy in. And even though this is a daily, this is also a strong. So it's like even more confluence.
Yeah.
This is a 4 hour.
So if it gets into that
Also,
lower 700 range, my people, swing it.
yes, that seven. This one right here. Definitely this zone, and I think I'll probably be buying into Tesla too. I don't. Definitely want to see now. This is where we start going to a lower time frame. This is now we're sniping, right? We want to start seeing same thing again. Market structure, right? So we see in market structure kind of go down. So let's mark our market structure again. This is weird right there. I probably would have not marked that.
Quick,
But mark
quick
it for now.
disclaimer to anybody listening or watching: we are not financial advisors, and we are not advising anybody to buy Tesla. Gotta put that out there.
Definitely. Yes. So again, right? Same thing. We got to go market structure, even on a lower time frame. We want to see momentum go on our side, and we can see it right that it's breaking. But this is not the one that we really care about. This is the one we really care about that it breaks.
Mm-hmm.
And we can clearly see that there was a small break on it. These breaks are sometimes tough on him. Well, actually, no, it did close, right? So
Yeah, it's pretty
let's
tough
take this
though.
out of the way because it's kind of like in the way right there. So we can kind of see where market came up. Like if we put a line right there, the highest point that market rose up, and we could see that it was clearly broken and it closed,
Mm.
right? So after market was closed, it's coming down for a retest, right? And this is when we start to really snipe in. So price might not get back down to this zone. So this is where we have to learn how to adapt. All right. So right now we're seeing another structure right here, and this is an hour or is another zone, right? So for me right now, I'll probably take a risk. I'll take a buy there.
You take a buy there.
Yeah, I'll take a buy. This is a nice risk. Right, I definitely my stop loss will be under here. Right, and I'll probably do a gain of that. This is my first TP, and then my second TP will be up here.
I wonder what
So
new.
TP1, TP2.
My thing is that the chip shortages as well is kind of looming as well too, but I don't know how bad that really does negatively impact this price going crazy right now.
Yeah. And when you say chip shortage, what do you mean by that?
That's the global chip shortage that's happening right now. That the chips that all the EV companies are using. I think Tesla might have their own chip
So
too.
that's like fundamentals, right? You're
Yeah,
talking.
it's fundamentals. It's a supply. It's part of the supply and demand. The demand for
Yeah. So
chips is too high because you
so
know.
we'll see that in market structure. We'll definitely see all that in market structure. That's why That's why I basically, if you notice, right, a lot of my trading is purely technical, and the reason I do purely technical is because all that stuff is I'm gonna see it, right? So when I see news, I see it on market structure.
Yeah,
When I see anything that has to do with fundamentals, we're gonna see it, right?
the the the
We're gonna
the
see it happen
actual articles just confirm what you see.
exactly. So like we're gonna chart, and we're probably gonna see it here first before the news gets it out. So that's why I like to basically do my technical and really, and it's not like I don't look at fundamentals and stuff like that. For me, it's harder because I do forex. But I still look at the economy and what everything is doing. If any country is doing something crazy, I definitely pay attention to it. But as a as a technical, right, basically just chart analysis. I see when a news happens, when I see when something in the world is happening, right. We're gonna see it through market structure here, and we're gonna see those higher highs getting broken or lower lows getting broken, whatever it is, and you just got to learn how to adapt to the market. But as of right now, right, this is will be my buying opportunity, and I'll definitely take a risk right here. I'll be willing to risk this one, this thing, right? And we're definitely just going off market structure. We're seeing, right, break the higher high, and now basically it came down to buying opportunities.
All right, cool. I mean, well, this. I mean, I can stop recording now. That was actually a good run, and we could just do. We could do back testing and stuff if you want now.
Yeah, we could back test, but like if you notice, that basically this is how
Follow me on Instagram at shaddai.